Okay, so let's draw this one together. So this is our energy coupling diagram, and you should remember, right, that, let me get a red here, that the energy releasing step is over on this side of the reaction, and the energy gaining step, where energy is going in, is on this side of the reaction. Okay, so we have to think about our scenario here with gasoline in a car. What's the energy releasing part of it? Well, it's the burning of gasoline. So that's our exergonic side. And so the equation is gasoline burning into carbon dioxide and water, probably some carbon monoxide too. And then what is the energy gaining part of it? Well, that's the car that starts to move. That's the energy gaining part. So we're going to call that the endergonic side, and we're going to make it as simple as this. We're going to have a car that's stopped to a car that's moving. Okay, so then we just have to look at what are our reactants and what are our products on each side. Okay, so for the gasoline burning, we already know our reactants are the gasoline, right? So we're going to start that right here. And then the products are the CO2 and the H2O. And then for the car, it's this easy, right? The reactants are a stopped car, and the products are a moving car. And then we can write in what's happening to the energy, right? So some of it is lost, and that's going out to the environment, and the rest is transferred. Okay, so that's energy coupling. And now what's really happening in a car? Well, let's talk about that, right? So we have, and I am no artist here, so bear with me, but we have a piston chamber, right? And we have the little piston that's attached to the crankshaft, which is attached to the tires. This is super simplified. You boys are probably laughing. Anyway, and so what happens is you have the injection of fuel into one side. So this is gasoline. And there's a vent to let air out on the other side, but we're not going to let air out yet. So the gas is going to go in, and we're going to push down on the piston, and that's going to pressurize the gas. And then we just have to supply our energy of activation. What's going to supply that energy of activation? Well, that's our spark plug, right? That's sticking down into there, and it sparks, and the gas explodes, and that shoves the piston up, and that's what turns the wheels and everything, and then the air can escape out the other side. So that's basically how we're coupling the burning of gasoline to the moving of a car. So we're going to practice it several more times in this assignment and in the apply.